current academia, I agree with quantum mechanics or quantum physics. It's now morphing from the physical physics into quantum mechanics, and in that quantum world more relates to what we are describing, how everything is connected, how everything is in all. You can't add to all, you can't take away from all. It was always already here. And now quantum physics and quantum mechanics are beginning to prove what was once a theory, that everything is connected, that it is all here, it has always already all been here. It's all in all.
What is time?
Time is a unit of measure that is related to things. Time, without space and material, you have no time. You need material and you need space, and that's when time begins. All three of those are dependent upon each other. So time is that measurement of the material within that space.
Is it possible for material to not move?
To not move? No, it is not possible for material to not move if we're talking about movement as vibration. Everything vibrates. Nothing in existence rests. It might appear not to move, but atoms are constantly in a state of fluctuation and movement. There is nothing in the material world that is at rest. Movement is always occurring.